Well, my last minute people, take a listen to this. The tax deadline to file your taxes is very near. It was actually supposed to be today, but it got pushed back. Now, we did speak with the Department of Finance and Administration about what to do if you end up missing the deadline and who's actually getting some extra time to file.
The deadline this year is April the 18th.
That's 3 days past the usual deadline of April 15th because it's a Saturday. But if you live in a few Arkansas counties, your deadline got pushed back even further.
If you live in Pulaski County, Cross County, or Lonoke County, you automatically have an extension to July the 31st.
That's because of that deadly late March tornado. And if you're still needing more time to file, you can always file for an extension through the federal government.
I would definitely pursue the extension route because that's going to allow you more time to get your documents together and no penalty associated with that.
But if you miss the deadline and do not file an extension, you could face some penalties. For those who owe the state money, you could get a late fee, which is 5% of the tax you owed for each month that it is late. But if you're lost and not sure what to do, Scott Harden says always reach out to the Department of Finance.
So if you're frustrated, curious, have questions, pick up the phone and call us, and we'll figure it out.
And if you have already filed your tax, and Harden says that you should get your return in about 4 to 8 weeks. It's 4 to 6 weeks for those who filed electronically and about 6 to 8 weeks for those who filed by mail. And if you did file by mail, if you're going to, well, you need to have it postmarked by the 18th.